Hello, Happy New Year. Sorry for the way I sound. I've had a terrible first week or so of January. I feel really, really ill, but finally on the mend. But I really wanted to do a video because my brake lights. I went for a trip, a little drive a few weeks ago. I come back and my brake lights are stuck on. But after doing some research, I found out that underneath the brake pedal, there's like a button that's depressed permanently, which turns the brake lights off. So on the other side, there's like a little plastic grommet. And when that grommet's broken, the button doesn't get depressed, so the lights stay on permanently. So yeah, so this is part of the little plastic grommet thing that goes inside like a little ring shaped thing. And that means that the button on the pedal gets pressed in until you push the pedal down, then the button goes out and the lights go off. So it works in reverse than what one might think, but the reason for that is so if there's a problem, the lights will stay on and it's easy to know there's a problem. So I had some ideas. So I've ordered a new piece, but because of where I am in Gibraltar, things take forever. So I had some ideas. So one idea was these tokens, like I've drilled a hole, but this is of course too long. But the other idea I had, because these don't quite fit in, I won't put that there. I'll put this over there. The other idea I have is a whole new little token. And because I recently got my new black number plates, because the car is now officially a classic, so I can put black plates on it, I'm going to cut off a piece of double-sided sort of tape here, put that on there, and then put it in the right place, and we'll go down and see if we can get under the dash to put it on. Probably not explaining myself very well at all. Okay, so here's my idea as just like a temporary fix. Now, a lot of people say to just use a nut and bolt, a small one. But the thing is for me, I feel like because the switch looks very delicate, and I think if it's a metal bolt, it might break the switch. So for now, what I was thinking was, I'm gonna put this in there, and it's a very similar size to what the original thing is that's broken. And this is 25 years old, can you believe that? This is 25 years old. So my idea is this is a similar sort of size once it's sort of put in place. And, oh, the scissors just fell on my foot. I'd rather them fall on my foot than scratch the car. So yeah, so what my plan is, I'm gonna get this double-sided tape on there, and it's really tight down there, so it might be a bit difficult to get a good camera view. But my plan is, so I'm gonna cut that, oops, just as a temporary fix whilst I wait for the original part to come. So my plan is, don't scratch my car, this, yeah. Then my plan is I can slide that under, and then there's got a bit of flex, so if anything, hopefully this will break before the delicate button breaks. So anyway, let's have a look. Safety first. So I'm going to hang this over the door. I don't want to scratch it. There we go. I don't want to make the inside of the car dirty. All right then. This will be fine. I'm not very flexible. Oh. All right then. Right. Oh goodness, this is filthy. Right. So the bit I'm looking for. Oh yes, there it is. You see, that's the bit. So I've got to try and I can't quite get under here, you see, because it's a bit tight. I can't. Hold up. Okay, this is really not good. So that's the bit. Now, if I can just give a demonstration. You see? So that's where the little black bit was that came out. See, because it's supposed to be on there. To push that little button in. When you push that little button in, the lights go out. But of course, because it's broken, we need to figure out how to get in there. So what I'm thinking, because those bolts that I have are a bit too long, but this is only a temporary fix. So that's my idea. Okay. Oh, I'm completely stuck. Yeah, so what I want to do is take off this layer here. There we go. Let's see now if we can just slide this into place. I'm sure it will be very fun. Okay, let's try. Why are you doing such a bodge job? Shut it. Oh crap, dropped it. Where's it gone? Stuck to my shirt. There she is, right. So my plan is, if I could just... My plan is, I don't know if I can see what I'm doing here with the camera, but slide it in under there and hopefully it sticks. You might wonder how I did that, but I pressed the brake pedal with my head. Perfect. There you go. Now, let's see. This is silly what I'm doing, I know, but there you go. There you go. So you can see what it's doing now. So if we get out, if I can manage to get myself out, Yeah, that was fun. See, the lights are out now. It's very sunny, so that's just the sun shining, but it's actually the brake lights are out. So this little temporary fix might have done what I needed it to do. Car gymnastics as well. I'm not very flexible these days. Good. Now get back in the car the right way round, and hopefully, let's see, brake lights. The thing still stayed in place, so that's good. So hopefully the brake lights are doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, so fun little first video of 2026. So temporary fix. The lights are out and they work how they should. This temporary fix seems to be working well, and what I want to do the next S15 video, I want to take you for a spin up the rock in Gibraltar. That'd be pretty cool, up to the top and see the monkeys and stuff. So that'd be a lot of fun. So this short video, but it's been a lot of fun. It's something I had to do. And next job probably, oh yeah, I've got a remap in March. So we're going to get a remap done, and then I want to sort out some paint bits, repaint my wheels, tidy up the suspension, tidy up the camber, and then hopefully we should be good for show season. So yes, with that said, thank you very much for watching, wherever you are, wherever, have an awesome day. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh no, I want to put the lights on. Wait, what did I do? Why are you beeping, car? I put the lights on or something. Oh, ow, ow, oh, I'm stuck. Ow. What happened? Oh, fog lights.